how to fix Roblox not launching. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And once we are now here, the first thing and the easiest way that we can do is to click the Windows icon right there and then to restart our PC or laptop. In that way, all of the background processes will be restarted or will be closed. Once you launch your Roblox, it will now launch without any problem. So that is the first thing that we can do. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to search for add or remove. So in this part, just click add or remove programs in this part, and then you will be redirected into the settings. Now in this part, what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Roblox. And then what we're going to do is to click the three dots right here and then click uninstall. So just click the uninstall button right there, click uninstall again, and then wait for it to be uninstalled. So once we have uninstalled Roblox right there, the next thing that we need to do is to go back into our Roblox website. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go into one of the games right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to play Natural Disaster Survival. So just click that one right there and then click the play button. So what we're going to do is to reinstall the Roblox so that you will have the latest version and that you won't have any problems. So just click the download Roblox right there. And then once it is downloaded, just click open file. And then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to fix Roblox not launching.